Multi-host meetings. Specific individuals assigned up front as hosts and co-hosts. I'm on the OnceHub homepage and we're going to review a multi-host meeting scenario. I click on Booking Calendars and we can see here the title hosts and co-hosts, and we can see that this planning meeting has two hosts. There is a Chief Advisor Henry Host and Paul Planner, which is a co-host in this meeting. So let's see how this meeting is set up. So we can see in the booking settings, here we have the host and co-host section. This is the selector, so we can see that the Chief Advisor Henry Host is selected and also Paul Planner is selected. So both of them are selected here. Everything else here is as usual, the booking form, the notifications, a page designer. We can see the design for this page. We can see the URL. Let's click on this to see how it looks on the customer side. So here we go. This is the planning meeting. And I'm Gloria guest. I want to meet in the office for this. So I'm selecting the office. And I want to meet actually, let's book it for today, for this hour. And the name is Gloria guest. And that's my email. And I'm going to schedule it. So that's it. It is scheduled. Let's go to the calendar. So this is the meeting that we just scheduled, this planning meeting. And you can see here that it has a location, a physical location, the address, and also that the green room is reserved. And we can see additional information. It's 1 block for McDonald's. And we can see that here we have Henry Host, the organizer, and we see Gloria guest, and also Paul Planner, the co-host.